Dun. Dun. Change foot. 2, 1. Dun. Set. Net. Dasa. Yusa. Ilko. Chariot nene. Aho. Yo. Okay, let's go to speed kickings. This is right and left. O, ito yung walang shout. And then sunod-sunod to. Dire-diretso ha. Walang tigil. Okay? Okay. Okay, ready? O, sige. Sige, bago kayo mapagod, special kick muna. Everybody, sit down, cross leg, except first line. First line, stand up. Okay, chariot. Full moon kick, ha? Okay. Chariot, Josh, chariot. Chariot, Kimre. Kirugi Jupit. Show me your best full moon kick. Good shot. 1. Akiro. Akiro. Yan. Oh, you do it again. 1. Shout. Ay, mababa. Dapat mataas yan, Josh. 2. Okay. Change foot. Ready. 1. Okay, very good. 2. Okay, chariot. Then, Kimre. Okay, first step forward, Yeah, that's it down. Second line. Chariot. Go! Faster! Faster!
20 seconds. By the authority vested in me, by the Philippine Taekwondo Association, as a promotion officer of Pangasinan, through our chief instructor, Grand Master So Chun Hong of the Philippine Taekwondo Association, and through our chairman of Region 1, Mr. Glenn Bonfe of Abra. You are now promoted to the next belt level. Congratulations. So yun. Okay, assignment guys.